I used to think hustle culture was the secret to growth. Now, I have trust issues, a caffeine addiction, and 2 diva dogs who run my household like a Fortune 500 company.
Yeah!
Hi, I'm Lauren.
Pet creator, digital marketer, algorithm negotiator, and part-time bark translator. My dogs, if you ask them about me, they would say I am the human that runs this account because I have opposable thumbs and they don't, and I am their snack servant and treat butler. I worked in marketing, communications, and technology for 16 years. I have a degree in journalism, a master's in information communication and technology. I've launched websites, run national marketing campaigns, built mobile apps. I'm a certified AI specialist, whatever that means. All this sounds super fancy, right? Well, none of it mattered when I started to try to monetize on Petstagram. I was trying everything, all the tricks. Most of my posts got 42 likes and maybe a bot comment that said, promoted on Pet Magazine, promoted on Dog Planet. Worst of all, I had $0 in the bank from all this effort. Let's talk some real numbers here. According to a survey conducted by the American Kennel Club, the average cost of owning a dog is around $2,500 a year. But that doesn't factor in other costs like purchase and adoption fees, spay and neuter surgery, emergency vet surgeries, training, fees, supplies, general supplies like bowls, crates, leashes, and toys, of course. The average cost of all of that, according to the AKC, is $2,127, which brings the total cost to $4,627 a year to own a dog. You should plan to pay at least $385.58 a month if you own a dog. Oh, and these costs, they vary by dog breed and size, of course. And then there's senior dogs. A Rover.com survey reports it can cost up to $4,680 a year, excluding end-of-life care, to own a senior dog. Other sources list ranges up to $9,900 a year, depending upon size, age, and medical needs. So, no, monetizing your pet is not greedy for those that think it is or think it's exploitation.
I'm sorry?
It's survival. Love is free. That raw diet you want to do and those vet bills, not so much. That all being said, here's what I realized. Pet creators, we're not struggling because our content is bad or because our pets are not cute. We're struggling because we're doing everything manually. Especially if you have a 9-to-5, you're married, have children, or just have a life. It takes a lot of time, and most of us don't have that time. And I think the other thing is we're struggling because we're doing everything manually and expecting Instagram to reward us for posting cute pictures of our pets. And that's why I built MyBarkBot. Your personal paws-to-profits digital marketing expert that does 90% of the heavy lifting to save you time. MyBarkBot even did most of the work for this video that you're watching right now.
Wow!
A few things that MyBarkBot can do for you.
Oh, yes.
She writes captions that rank with SEO optimization. She builds content calendars that stop panic posting. She'll create monetization systems so your cute chaos actually pays for itself. She'll help you develop a brand voice, optimize your bio for SEO, and even give you a pep talk when you are on the verge of quitting. Wow! Now, I spend less time overthinking and more time with my girls. Yeah! And MyBarkBot keeps things running behind the scenes, and I am making more money now than I ever have as a pet creator. And before anyone says, AI is ruining everything, and the AI slop comments start flying, relax, Karen. MyBarkBot doesn't replace your pet. It replaces burnout.
Oh, yes.
So, if you're already posting your pet for free, why not let MyBarkBot help you earn treat money while you're at it that can also pay for vet bills? If you want to learn more, comment BarkBot below, and I'll show you how to turn that fluff into funds while you're sleeping.